Hey there guys, Squint here. Today I'm going to work on a lock from Late Night Lock Picker. This was his 100th giveaway. He did his lock number 3 and number 4. Today we're going to work on his number 4. There we go. Oh, maybe. There it goes. It's got to hang up. Doesn't want to turn. It's an extreme bit of key, look at that. So that's probably the issue. Alright, turns counter. And let's see if we can get it picked. Doesn't want to turn clockwise, but that may just be because of the extreme bitting on the key. I'll actually try to go clockwise on it. Yeah, oh well. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing picked. Got a lot of goodness in there, I can already see just on the first pin. Let's see, let's start with the gem. Alright. Couple clicks out of the back of the lock. Then number 1 gave me a good click. Some more crunchy clicks out of the back. Might have been an overset. We'll see. Nope, there's still some binding going on. Okay, a couple clicks. I think that was 2. One's bound up, gave me a slight little click. Now it gave me some crunchy clicks, took away part of my little bit of my false set. Okay, a couple more clicks out of 1. That's 4. Okay, got that one to click. Still bound up. Hit 3 and it gave me a little turn on the core. 1's still giving me a little counter and a click. Okay, a bunch of clicks out of 4 that time. One and 2 are still bound up. Alright, 1 gave me a slight click. Nothing out of 2. Let's see if I can get, maybe need to get a little bit higher back there. Nope, that one's not going to work. Alright, got a big click on 5. 4. Maybe. Got a little relief off of 1. Kind of gave me a little bit more of a false set. So let's go back and see if Something else is hung up. Okay, we got a hang up on what feels like 3. Okay, a little click on 4. I'm sorry about the dogs, guys. My wife thinks it's funny just to let the dog bark all the time, so. Drives me crazy. Yeah, now she's gonna yell at him for barking. Alright, nothing on 1 now. Let's see. For your number 3, number 4 lock, man, this number 4 is pretty good. It's got me locked up. Okay, hit 5 and it gave me a slight little turn again. Let's get this taller one in there, see if I can get up behind. Just off just a little bit, just to see if overset 4. Okay, got a small little click. I feel like 1's giving me some counter, but I can't get it. I can't get the pick place right on it. It's giving me some pretty decent. You can see right here a little bit of counter. There we go. So it dropped me a little bit further into the false set. I finally got the pick placed on there right where it needed to be. Now we got 3 and 2 binding. None of them wanting to go anywhere though. Let's see if we can get up in behind here again. Okay. Nothing. Everything's good in the back. I gotta work on these front pins here for sure. These are the ones holding me up. Oh, little counter there. Okay, another big click. It felt like it was number 1. It gave me a little bit more counter. Loosen up the tension just a little bit. Everything is solid. I may have to manually rotate. It feels like number 2. There we go, nice big false set. Nice little click, trying to manually rotate that one fairly easy. I think that worked. Oh, now we're in the back of the lock, we're getting stuck. Okay, touched 5 and gave us more of a false set. More of a false set, touch 3. falset, guys. I mean, that's crazy. Let's see if we can take this thing home though. Gotta be close. Let's get a little deeper hook in there. See if we can find the one that's giving us. See if anything gives us feedback. Four is bound up. It's not giving me any feedback though. Looking for that counter. Not getting it off anything yet. There it is. Where'd you go? I just felt you. It's up here in the front. Where'd you go? I felt you counter. I felt the counter and then I lost it. I had counter rotation and then I lost it. I'm not sure where it went. Let me see if I can get a little bit thinner pick to push these up. Maybe catching the warding a little bit. Alright, I think I got that little bit of counter, but it took some of that falset away, so let's see if we can find the one to take us home. Nope, got the little, got a little bit more of a falset now. I hate to give that up. So 2 drops us into that deep falset, but I can't seem to find that last pin. kind of restarted, but boom. I was overset. My goodness. Alright, so that is number 4 on the late night lock pickers. I don't know where we're at for time, but that definitely did take a little bit. Let's see if we can get this out of here and see what he's put into this lock. That was definitely a fight for sure. I'll just lock this dang lock up. Let's see if I can get these out real quick. Turn it. So I'm going to try to get this one gutted fairly quick, guys, just so this video's not, I mean, it's already going to be long enough. Nice pins, late night lock picker. Very nice, buddy. Very nice. Whoops. It's got, you guys can see he's got 1, 3, and 6 are all serrated, or all threaded chambers. Nice serrated pin in 1. That one doesn't want to come out. Nice serrated spool in 2. Yeah, we're gonna fight with those springs. They're all in. Everything looks like it's serrated or threaded up there. Another nice little serrated spool in 3. 6. Oh, that's a beautiful pin. It's kind of a rounded. Yeah, I think all of these are going to be some type of chamber modification. That looks like a standard or a factory serrated pin. And a standard. That's about the only spring that came up. See if I can get any of these out. Alright, that came out of that one. Let's see if I can get these out. Alright, where'd you go? I have all these dang tools and can't ever remember where I put the damn things. Let's see if I can hook them out of here. It's got chambers definitely threaded in 1, 2, 3, and then 6 is way down in there. There we go. Alright, let's zoom you guys in. Oh, and then up top he has 1, looks like 1 is threaded, 2's got some type of undercutting in it, 5 is threaded, and then maybe some undercutting in 6, kind of hard to tell. Look at these pins. These things are beautiful. Let's zoom you guys in so you can see. Alright, this is chamber number 1. He's got a threaded key pin and a nice, or a serrated key pin and a nice serrated driver. Another number 2, he reduced diameter on the key pin, but then he's threaded or serrated the micro serrations almost with a on the key pin, and then I mean, this is just a wicked pin altogether. It's more of a spool, but then it's threaded and serrated, and everything's going on for number 2. A little copper spring, then another serrated key pin here, and then another highly real sharp serrated pin in 3 with a little steel spring, and you can see that it is, oh, just lost one of my copper ones. 4 is a serrated key pin standard driver and a long steel spring. 5 is a reduced diameter key pin, and it looks like this is a stock or a factory, maybe, I'm not sure, he may have done those, but very uniform serrations. And then in 6 he's got this long key pin, a spoolish key pin, but it's got small micro serrations. And in this pin right here, I've never seen anything like it. It looks like one of the football awards or a basketball award. It's kind of got a real cylindrical shape. It's round, it's got a little serration on it, so very easy to get caught up. And another small spring. So this is his number 4 lock from the Late Night Lock Picker. This was his 100th sub giveaway lock. So I appreciate you guys' time, and I'll be on to the next lock. Thank you, Late Night Lock Picker.